Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Data Dose, where in today's video we will be solving one of the most important SQL interview questions. So this problem I took it from the website Strata Scratch of the difficulty level hard. So this problem will cover most of the important concepts such as aggregation, group by, window function. We will be writing the case statements too in this problem. So let's move on to the problem statement. So the problem statement demands that we need to compare the total number of comments made by the user in the each country during December 19 and 20, Jan 2020. And for the each month, we need to rank the countries by their total number of comments in the descending order. And countries with the same total should share the same rank, and the next rank should increase by the one. So by reading the statement, we need to know that we need to use the dense rank because dense rank doesn't skip the ranks, which are vendor functions. And we need to return the names of the countries whose rank improved from December to January. That is, the rank number becomes smaller. Obviously, when the number of the rank is smaller, so it means that the country got more number of comments. So these are the two tables which we have got. One is the table containing the FB comments count, the user ID, and when the comment was made, and the number of comments. And the second table is FB active users, which contains the information of the user which made the comment and the country of the user. So the flow would be I would be writing the code. First I will be joining both this table, and then I will find the number of comments made during each country during December 2019 and Jan 2020. And then I will be writing a code for ranking those comments for the respective months. And then I will be comparing, at last I will be comparing the two time frame where the rank has increased. So here I will be using the common table expression, Windows function and all, and at last filtering. So let's write the comment in the website. So the common table expression which I will be writing is with country comments, so that I will get the comments of the country for each month for December 2019 and Jan 2020. I will be selecting the country. I will be using the alias for tables of the users as U, and then for comments I can use the C. I will be using the country, and then I will be using the aggregate function because at last I will be grouping by with the country, so that I would be getting the sum of comments made during the December 2019 and Jan 2020. So inside the sum statement, I will be writing a case statement, sum function, a case statement that when the column created at falls under the date between the date, that is 2019 December 31, and date, it would be 01, so that the format would be YYY, year, month, and then the date. So here it would be 01, and here it would be 31. If the date falls within this range, then I need to get the number of comments from the table FB comments. which I will be aliasing to C FB comments, or else I should get the 0, or else I should get the 0, and I will end here, and I will be renaming it as comments in December. And for the same case, I will be writing for Jan 2. Just I will be changing the names and the alias, and here I would be writing 2020 01 and 2020 30. So with this, I would be getting the comments. Now I need to join the two tables from FB comments as C, and I will be doing inner join obviously because I need to get only the data where a user has made comments. Inner join FB active users as U, and I will be joining with the help of column user ID because this is the common column between the two tables. And at last I will be grouping by the country. So I wrote the CT. So let's see what the CT is giving the output, just to make sure that we don't get any errors further. There is error. Oh, the select statement I did. Okay, I got the country, the comment, the number of comments they have made in the December and the Jan. So the next step would be I would be ranking I would be ranking these in the descending order so that I would be getting the ranks of the respective months. So I'll be writing another one common table expression where that query would be used for ranking. So I would be naming it as country ranks, as I would be selecting the country from this, and then comments in December, and then I will be using the window function obviously, and then I will be using the dense rank because the question demands that rank should be not skipped over. I would be not using the partition because there is no scope of partition here, but I will be using the order by. We will be ordering it by comments in the December, and the most number of the comments should get the rank one, so that I would be using the December, and I will be renaming it as a rank in December. And in the same way I would be writing for Jan 2 so that I get the ranks for Jan 2. Dense rank over, I'll be not using the partition obviously, and then I'll be using the order by in the descending order, and I will be renaming it as rank in January. I have used here one. Okay, and this I would be taking it from the country comments obviously, and then I will be closing it just for the sake I would be seeing what this CT will give the output. So I get the comments in the December and what is the rank in the December of the particular country, and the same way for comments in Jan and rank in January. Okay. Now I need to write a simple select statement where I need to get the country where the rank has improved. Where rank in January has improved, which means decreased from the rank in December. So the Mali is the country, and if we check the solution is accepted. So that's all for the today's video where we solved the this question. So hope you like this video. If you have more optimized code for this problem, please do solve and paste the code in the comment section. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you for watching again.